So, usap muna tayo. Mag-vlog. Yung buhay, trabaho. Like, you're in the mercy of what they say. So, nagiging obedient tayo, no? So, Napoleon Hill, I was listening earlier, na you have to build, create, and use your job as a tool to leverage yourself for, you know, a business or money investment or something like that, right? So, use that as a tool, not as a enslavement for your time, yung time mo for money, right? For salary. So that's how we're modern slaves, kung ganun ang nangyayari, right? So, yun. Ayan. Yung airport malapit. Maingay. Yeah, so I'm doing subject tracking sa Osmo Action 5 and 2.7K with 30 frames per second, 16:9. This is gonna be our go-to action camera. It's if it works out, I think I'm gonna like this one. And temperature is getting lower now. It's +10 actually. Still double digit, but it's getting colder. Para tayo nasa may AC. Hindi mo na kailangan ng AC. Pero I like it better this way, actually. It doesn't feel sticky or muggy dry, right? So it's okay. Oh, something's going on here. Right there. So there are a lot of things that are needed to be to create a YouTube videos. You gotta be transparent, meaning there's no your thoughts are just flowing over you, and you gotta say it without reservations, meaning it's gotta be the truth, right? And then yeah, you gotta be honest, authentic, and yeah, just be real. You can't like in your own perspective, you can't twist your reality, right? You just gotta narrate it as it is on your own perspective, right? But it's gotta be fact check, and it's gotta be the truth if you're saying it. But you can have a opinion on that one, on the matter. But sometimes it's not the truth for somebody else, right? Your own opinion, but they gotta accept it. So it's gotta be, you gotta agree to disagree. And if you have things to say about the matter, about the topic, so like in YouTube, I think authenticity gets it, right? The people watching you will feel that, right? And on your tone, what you say, how you say it, yeah, right? So right now I texted the sales guy that sold me this Honda 2025 CR-V, because he promised it's got 132 kilometers already in this vehicle. They used it as a test drive vehicle, so I took it, saying he said that he's gonna give me a gas card to compensate for those kilometers, right? But I got it as this full tank already when I got it, of course, and then they cleaned it. But yeah, that's gonna be on top of the gas card because of those kilometers that's been used. Yeah, so I'm leasing a vehicle that is brand new, but it's slightly used when I got it. So yeah, that's a compensation for that, right? So yun, ito intro mo, gusto ko to eh. Sana hindi mo copyright. Back na tayo ng ano eh, ng bahay. Took us about 2 hours to go to Fort Fraser, and going back now it's we have maybe around 20 minutes left for destination. Pero daan tayo ng Costco para bili tayo ng pizza. Gutom ako eh. I was thinking of going fasting for 72 hours, but I don't think I'll make it. Maybe 24 hours muna. So intermittent fasting na lang, no? Gawin natin. It's like kain tayo ng lunch, but after ng lunch, that's it. Next day naman lunch ulit. Intermittent fasting. I think that's a better way than the 72 hours. Okay, 72 hours, 24, 24. Yeah, 2 days yun. 72 hours. Tama ba? O 3 days. 24, 24, 8, 48, 48. Plus 4. Plus another 24. Yeah, 3 days. My goodness. Who's gonna endure that? Makakatiis ka ba ng 3 days na walang kain? Ano lang, liquid lang, coffee, tubig or juice, but walang food. My God, hirap ata no. Yan, maulan na ngayon dito sa tapos na nafe-feel ko na yung lamig din ng darating na winter. Long deep freeze ang sa winter, ang forecast, sabi sa news. Nako. The next day. Yan, good morning, Saturday. And I guess yung dyan pa rin yung yung note na nilagay ko. Wala akong flyers na na-receive after kong nilagay yun eh. So maybe she's just ignoring it. Hindi. Binabypass niya yung bahay namin para mag-deliver. Yung nga pala, punta tayo Saturday ngayon. I spoke with JL Agarpao, sales guy from Honda Wood Wheaton here in Northern BC, Prince George. So daanan natin yung gas card na promise niya while I was talking with him. It's because nung nakuha ko to, may 132 kilometers na. Brand new dapat eh, diba? So sabi niya, i-compensate na lang for putting a gas card and giving me a gas card for it. Alright, we'll see. Maybe I should send him FYI. Yeah, before I go. Okay, see you. Yan, maulan, no? Tyron. And so Air Canada is on strike as of last night. Ano ba ngayon? August 16 na ngayon. August 15 nag-strike sila because of yung mga unpaid work na ginawa nila, no? So same with us. Na na yung CBA, but yung mga grievances na unpaid 2 weeks na kinuha sa akin nung kasi nag-disability ako. While I was on disability, I was nag-accumulate pa rin, employed pa rin naman ako, nag-accumulate ako ng vacation. But then when I came back close to September 30th, I think I have a month, or a month and a half to consume those 2 weeks. So without me knowing na I have to consume it before September 30, right? So I think I booked the first week of September, and then sabi niya 3rd week na lang, ganyan. Ano lang yan, couple days I guess, because and then yeah, gana siya.
Gio said copy sir, see you.
See you.
Would you like to reply?
No. No. Copy. So yeah, yun nga. Alright. Ano nangyari? So yeah, unpaid work, right? Yun, naka-bin-bin pa rin hanggang ngayon. Although yung sa buong kalahatan na CBA na approve na, and then yung increase na hindi naman talaga increase, talagang parang dapat naman talaga meron nun eh. Dahil sa inflation, right? So parang tinapat lang yung inflation. So anyways, hold on. Yan, dito na tayo. At umulan, maambon. Kita nyo ba? Ang daming kotse, oh. Ito, bago tong style na to. Yan, dami, oh. Mga Honda CR-V. Ang ganda, oh. Yan. Ito yung Prologue na electric, eh. Pure electric. Tapos yan, oh.
Basta gagawa ko lang up. Di ko alam.
Daming Honda CR-V dyan, oh.
Sige. Thanks kita.
Puro mga for sale. Kuha na kayo dito sa Honda.
Kumuha na talaga. Kaya kabalik ko lang galing Pilipinas, mga folks. So, mga Pilipino dyan na nag-aaral ng mga kotse, CR-V.
Ayan, dami, oh.
7-seater, meron akong Pilot. So, yung EV, meron din akong Prologue. No, baba lang payment yan. Baba yung interest rate. So,
Yeah. 2026 na ba yan?
good to see you again po. Tara!
2025?
Tara, pagkasama ng kotse mo. Tara!
Ha?
Tara! Doon.
Ay! Kala ko, card.
Kailangan mo na ba ngayon? Gagasan?
Hindi pa eh. May kalahati pa ako. I guess, ano ba yun?
Hindi kasi, yung card, may card ako dyan sa okay.
Okay.
So, yung card.
Sarili mong card?
Yes, tito. Siyempre.
Akala ko binibigyan ka ng ano.
That's how I take care of my clients.
Akala ko binibigyan ka ng
Dito.
gas card.
Kailangan na samahan doon.
Saan ba ako? Ito, andali. Hindi. Ay.
Talagang bakasyon.
Or,
Parang nagmumukhang India na yung Pilipinas. Dahil sa mga motor.
Motor?
Nung nag-landing ako, ayun yung experience ko. Parang India na yung Pilipinas, man.
Anong motor? Parang like...
Ito yung, meron sila mga tuk-tuk na motor. May mga ganun na.
Yung pang pasayero?
Yeah. May mga ganun na.
Talaga?
Sa Gabal. Na-miss ko nga yung
Ba't
flight
dati
ko.
wala ba
Na-miss ko
din?
yung flight ko pabalik.
Bakit?
Yung traffic dito. Nakatulog ako sa papunta kasi nag-grab lang ako papunta airport.
Oo.
Nakatulog ako. Pagkagising ko, nag-U-turn sa service road yung driver ko. Sabi ko, man, late na tayo sa nilang plano ko.
Na lang.
Did you say $83 for 83 something? 83.60. I like my card, so I don't want to give it. Can I transfer it to a different? Or just give this one? Hopefully.
This is for this guy is very good guy.
Para sa idol ko yan.
Para sa nasa 132 kilometers na kasi yung nakuha natin yung car, so he just sticking to his words.
Yeah. I got it.
This guy's the man. Get it from him. He's keeping his words.
You guys have
Ito, compliments of
Abel,
Jill
guys.
Agarpa.
You know how it goes.
Yeah.
That's how we do it.
Yeah, he's keeping his word. Nasa vlog.
Kaya talaga ito. He runs through.
Yeah.
Kailangan, you have to take care of your people. You have to take care of your
So
reputation.
always gonna get it from him.
Being a young kid, diba, tito? Dapat you have to be truthful in your work.
Integrity. Honesty and everything. But yeah, this guy is very good. So thanks to him.
Kamusta ang buhay?
Then,
Kamusta ang buhay?
ayos lang.
busy.
Busy, trabaho.
Yun talaga.
Nag-ano?
Edit.
Oh, dito. Oh,
Puyat.
pagdating ng trabaho, pagod na siya. Minsan, pahinga na lang, no TV.
No TV.
Yeah. So,
Tagal ko na sa Pilipinas. 1 month din ako. No?
oh.
Kasi lola ko nag-heart failure, diba, dito.
So, kumusta yung lola mo pala?
Okay naman na po. May oxygen siya dun sa bahay. Binila namin siya nung hindi na yung tangke kasi yung tangke ang mahal eh. Bili kami
okay.
yung nagko-convert ng oxygen. Parang tangke rin yung dating niya.
Oo.
Medyo costly lang pero syempre
Yeah.
what can we do at this point, di ba? Like, at
Yeah.
least I had
At
the
least
chance.
nakita mo siya, nahag
Nahag
mo.
ko siya, nahag ko na mainit pa na ginawa.
Yeah.
Like, alam ko maraming tao na hindi na-experience yung gano'n.
Yeah.
Di ba? Yan yung
Alright.
challenge sa mga OFW eh.
Yun nga, oo nga. So, kailan ang next na balik mo ron?
It could be sooner.
Oh,
Tapos na
really?
sa vlog, joke lang, joke lang.
Sige. And, paano tayo eh. Ngayon, may
Ingat po, ingat.
fiancé na puti.
May APAM.
Ipam.
APAM. Canadian FAM.
Pwede ba magkape dyan?
Oo,
Magkape mo?
kanin to. Siyempre.
Sige, kape ako.
Siyempre.
Yan, kape tayo. French vanilla.
Come to Rome to star in their very own romantic comedy, The Unruly.
French vanilla, dark roast. Eh. Yun. Galing. Ito si
Merchandise.
Art Alido Jr.
Merchandise.
Batanggen niyo yan.
Philcan.
Buhay Canada, no? Inflation. Air Canada stewardess nag-strike. So, to keep up with inflation and cost of living. You can't blame them. Yeah, they wanna align themselves. Yung mga piloto nag-ano na eh. Nakuha na nila yung gusto nila. Couple months ago, 6 months ago. So sila naman ang magla-line up with the cost of living, mga flight stewardess, mga mostly women, sabi nila 70%. Tapos mostly women. Ang mga flight steward. Tapos may mga LGBTQ din and men, right? So yun, maintindihan mo naman kasi nangyayari sa Canada. It's very inflated printing of money from the government. Yung kung say may 10 apples ka and there's $20 for ang money mo supply, so it's $2 per apple, right? So pag nagprint ka ng money, may na doble yung print money, $40 na yung money supply. Yung supply mo is apples mo is still 10. So magiging, of course, instead na $2 per apple, magiging $4 per apple. Kasi hindi naman na-increase yung productivity or yung gross domestic product ba tawag doon. Basta yung ang population ng isang bansa, it's measured by gross domestic product. So ang each population, kung ano yung kita at yung kung ano yung in-spend ng isang tao, yun yung gross domestic product. Yung pagkakaintindi ko ng each person, right? So kagaya sa Asia, ang Singapore, 93,000 ang gross domestic product ng each population ng working population, no? So compared sa I think 3 to 4,000 lang sa Philippines, right? Dollars, in terms of dollars. So that means they're very rich. Kung yung ini-spend ng isang tao sa Singapore is 93,000 per year, you know, yun yung ano sa economy nila, supply ng money tsaka yung trabaho nila, kung magkano yung kanilang
nakuha din na sweldo. Kasama na yun, no? For 1 year. Tapos sa Philippines, 4,000 is kasama na yung sweldo, kasama na rin yung mga ini-spend nila na in the economy, right? So ayan, ang layo ng agwat. So the reason for lower gross domestic product is because yun nga, mga red tape sa government, corruption. Yun ang nangyayari dito sa Canada ngayon. Daming red tape. Mag-approve ng isang business, very tawag nito, takes delays, ang daming delays. So mga entrepreneurs, they decide to go down south, somewhere na mabilis ang approval, ganyan sa city and federal, municipal, tsaka rin yan, tied together. So kung pabilisin, gaya ng sinasabi ni Pierre Poilievre na pabilisan ng mga red tape approval ng building permit, ganyan, yan, sana maaprubahan ang maalis yung red tape na yan. Alright, shoutout kay JL Agarpao, ng Honda Woodwheaton dito sa Prince George. I got my gas card. Thanks, JL, and thank you for keeping your word. Alright. Naku, ayan na. Ang nagyayelo na ang mga bulaklak, ang mga ang mga dahon, naglalaglagan na. Ayan, madami ng lumalamig na. Patapos na ang summer. My goodness, ang bilis lang. Kaya summer dito kailangan mong talagang i-take advantage. Tapos na agad, umuulan na, lumalamig na. Yan, order tayo ng DQ, Dairy Queen. Dalawang Dairy Queen dito. Sarap yung nila, milkshake. Sarapan ako. Tsaka yung mga dili bar. Yan, buha tayo. Crave ka na lang Nandito tayo sa DQ. Magkuha ng ating dinner. Nagluto tayo ng chicken kanina pero parehas naman na palagi ulam, so iba na naman. Ayan, pwede palang i-remotely press mo dito para mag-record. I didn't know that, so now I know. Good. Try natin yung may nga pala tayo ito. Kuha ko ng reward. 339 siyang isa. Nakuha ko lang ng reward pagka may points ka. Ayan. So, it's good na natin. Hot. Chocolate, hot lang. Dark chocolate. Gusto ko. Yung ginamit natin TX2 dito. Kasi yung isang TX1 sa mic mini. So, ewan ko lang kung magkakaroon ng diferensya pagka gumamit ka sa TX1 tapos TX2. Pwede yung dalawang DJI mic dito sa Action Pro 5. Action 5 Pro pala. Yan.
Yeah, boy.